Class 11 and Class 12 buddies, and also NEET 2026 aspirants, I'm going to discuss a quick recap about the cyclic ETS, which is a part of the light reaction possibilities. So, in this video session, you can see very clearly the cyclic ETS requires only PS1. There is involvement of only PS1. This is a wonderful MCQ. So for the cyclic ETS, PS2 is not involved. PS2 is not involved. So if you just take a look about the non-appressed regions, yes, the non-appressed regions are of two types. So the regions which cannot be appressed by any of the membrane, one is stroma lamella, another one is upper surface of the thylakoid. So both are considered to be as non-appressed regions. And here this is a wonderful MCQ. The stroma lamella lacks PS2 and NADP reductase. So but here in the upper surface of the thylakoid lacks PS2, but there is presence of only PS1. Yes, another thing. So when stroma lamella lacks PS2 and NADP reductase, there is presence of only photosystem 1. And I said the photosystem 1 alone is involved in the cyclic ETS. So right, so this is a wonderful first question, first MCQ. And the second MCQ, if you can see here, there are two photosystems. One excites by absorbing 680 nanometer. The another photosystem 1 is going to excite by absorbing 700 nanometer. So what happens in the case where the photosystem 2 is going to trap beyond 680 nanometer? Beyond the 680 nanometer, obviously the photosystem 2 is going to become non-functional, because beyond the 680 nanometer, who is going to become the functional? Photosystem 1 is going to be the functional. When photosystem 1 is going to be functional, obviously what is going to take place? Definitely the cyclic ETS is going to take place. This is a wonderful MCQ where you can identify majority of the unknown questions from this chapter. Another third point here is, so if you're talking about the stroma lamella, I said, so the stroma lamella, which is a membranous structure that's going to connect between the two grana, is lacking not only the photosystem 2, so please don't ignore this question. NADP reductase is also lacking along with the photosystem 2. So both photosystem 2 and photosystem NADP reductase is lacking. Hence, let's say this is another possibility of taking the cyclic ETS. So right, another point what I am discussing here is the carbon dioxide. I'll tell you very clearly, because majority of your teachers are not going to discuss about this point, so where you're going to lose your MCQ in your NEET. So please try to understand. Carbon dioxide fixation is nothing but dark reaction or reduction, enzymatic reactions, right, or biosynthetic reactions, which involves in converting inorganic carbon to the organic carbon, so for synthesis of the glucose. And for this step, what you require really is, you're requiring the products of the light reaction. One is NADPH2, another one is ATP. Please try to understand. So what happens if the carbon dioxide fixation is not going to take place for some other reason? NADPH2 is not utilized, even ATP is not utilized. Let's say if the NADPH2 is not utilized, it won't convert into NADP plus, right? When NADPH2 is utilized, there is a conversion of